This 2026 Alliance RV Valor 37V11 is a toy hauler RV. It is located in Mesquite, Texas, 75150 and is offered for sale by Blue Compass RV Dallas. Click the link in the video description to visit RVUSA.com and see more photos as well as the current price. This new Alliance RV is 40 feet 0 inches in length and features sleeps 8, slide-out, and 98 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this toy hauler features bath and a half, front bedroom, loft, 2 entry, exit doors. Remember, this is an AI-generated video of one of thousands of classified listings on RVUSA.com. If you're interested in this unit, visit the link in the video description to view more photos and the current price, or reach out to the seller.